Section 10 of the Architectural Woodwork Standards on casework covers the construction of all casework, including base, wall, and tall cabinets, along with open cabinetry such as open lockers or bookcases. The casework section, as in all sections, is broken down into general, product, and installation. The general pages provide general information regarding industry practices and considerations when specifying product. The product pages begin with lists of the typical types of products covered by this section and also the typical exclusions. These are listed under the scope. This leads into the default stipulation, which states what will be provided if there is no specification for a particular item or portion thereof. The remainder of the product pages identify approved materials by hardware, casework, material type, which are wood, decorative laminate, and phenolic. Machining requirements include smoothness of surfaces and edges, and approved joinery and assembly method, including tolerances for flushness and gap allowance. You'll also find that this section also breaks down the requirements by the different cabinet parts. The final pages address installation, which includes additional tolerances for installation, flushness, and gaps, and what types of fasteners are permitted and their locations for conformance.